What is good with y'all? It's your boy Curdy Bo, and I am back at it, man, with another banger. And in today's video, I'm about to be making this EBK J-Bo / West Coast type beat on FL Studio Mobile, man. I ain't gonna lie. And I already been cooking up on it so far, and it's been sounding fire, man. I ain't gonna lie. So I thought I'd make a video to it. Before we get into this video, man, make sure y'all smash that like button, smash that subscribe button. You already know the vibes. And DM me on Instagram, man, if you need you a beat made or something, you know what I'm saying? Tap in for business inquiries. Link is in the description down below. But without further ado, let's get into this video. All right, boom, man. So as y'all can see, I already got my little 808s going, and this is how they sounding. I ain't gonna lie, they kind of sound like messed up, so I kind of got to redo them a little bit. So. Now I'm finna get some kicks in, make this nice and quick. All right, now I'm finna just repeat the kick. So here we go, right here. All right, now we got our claps. I already did my claps, so I'm finna just copy and paste them over. Now I'm finna turn the kicks down a little bit. All right, now I'm finna go to my kick and just kind of turn it down a little bit, fade it in the background. So what I'm about to do is go to my graphic EQ and kind of just turn down that low end, and then let's see how it sounds now. And now as y'all can hear it kind of blending in with the 808s now. So yeah, I kind of already finished the, you know, the melody and whatnot. So I'm just trying to get the drums down packed. So now that we got our claps, I'm finna add some hi-hats in there. So let's get into it. I'm finna just repeat it. Finna loop this over, and yep, this is how my hi-hats. This is how my hi-hats are sounding. All right, so the hi-hats is sounding pretty smooth. I'm finna throw a little limiter on there so it's not going over that. All right, now I'm just free ball mixing right now. Now I'm finna throw my graphic EQ on there and kind of just get the frequencies right. Now, I'm not gonna lie, the 808s do need a little work, but I'm just trying to speed run through this video, so you know it is what it is. I don't want to make it too long for y'all. All right, now I'm finna repeat that over. You know what I'm saying? Rinse and repeat, man. You know what I'm saying? Let's get it. Hey, man. All right, now that we done with all that, I'm finna get into making this beat. So I'm finna start off with the, with the melodies first. So. Hey, man, say, man. But that's going to be the end of the video. Hopefully y'all enjoyed that. And make sure y'all stay tuned for more big body bangers, man. I'm going to catch you on the next one. Curdy Bo in this thing. Curdy Bo out, man. Peace. On the side.